Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with monday.com for SEO task management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with monday.com for SEO task management, visit the official monday.com website. Look for the Get Started button on the homepage. Click the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a sign-up page. Here, you can choose to register using your email address or sign in with Google. If you select email registration, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Make sure to follow the password requirements outlined on the page. Once you have filled in your details, click on the Sign Up button. After that, check your email for a verification message. Open the verification email and click the provided link to verify your account. Once verified, return to the monday.com login page. Enter your email address and password into the login fields. After logging in, you will be prompted to set up your workspace. Choose a name for your workspace that reflects your SEO project. You can also select the type of team you are working with. Next, you'll be presented with template options. Browse through the templates designed for SEO task management. Select a template that best suits your needs. Once you have chosen a template, click on Use Template. Your new workspace will now be created with the selected template. Familiarize yourself with the layout and functionalities. You can customize the template by adding or removing columns. Consider adding columns for task status, priority, and due dates. Now, you can start adding your SEO tasks to the workspace. Click on that Add Item button to input your first task. Fill in the necessary details for each task, including deadlines and assignees. Utilize tags or labels for better organization of your tasks. As tasks progress, update their status directly in the board. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.